Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8413XX. Only 10,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tungsten metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Edges. Again, only 10,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest, with even more space below. And a large glove box. Over HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Sheboyganautos.com.